Silver is really making waves today, and trust me, this isn't just your average price spike. Right now, silver is trading in the low to mid $80 per ounce range, and let me tell you, the volatility is intense. But what's really driving this rally is the juicy part that we need to dive into. So, what's fueling this surge? It's a combo of three big factors: safe haven demand, physical supply stress, and China's growing influence in the silver market. Sounds like a lot, right? But hang tight, I'll break it down for you. First off, global uncertainty is pushing investors toward hard assets like silver. When confidence in currencies or stock markets starts to wobble, people often flock to precious metals. We've seen gold hitting record highs lately, and guess what? Silver is right behind it, trying to catch up. And it usually does, but often in a more dramatic fashion. It's like silver has its own personality, you know? But here's the kicker. Silver isn't just some shiny metal for investment. It's a crucial player in modern industry. Think about it. Solar panels, electric vehicles, electronics, data centers, and even military tech all rely on silver. So when the economy gets shaky, the demand for silver doesn't just drop. In many cases, it actually ramps up. That's pretty wild, right? Now, let's chat about supply, because this is where things get really interesting. Silver has been in a structural deficit for years now. Most of the silver out there isn't mined solo. It's usually a byproduct of mining for copper, zinc, and lead. So when demand spikes, production can't just flip a switch to keep up. It's like trying to catch a bus that's already left the station. Right now, the physical supply of silver is feeling tight. Inventories are being depleted, premiums on physical silver are climbing, and big buyers are competing fiercely for the limited supply. It's like a game of musical chairs, but with a lot more pressure. And then there's China, the wild card in this whole scenario. China is a massive player in the global silver supply chain, not just in mining, but also in refining and consumption. As of today, silver prices in China are actually higher than those in the West when you factor in premiums. Can you believe it? In real terms, silver in China is trading closer to the mid to lower 90s per ounce, and sometimes even higher. So what's behind this? Well, China has restricted silver exports and is focusing on its domestic supply. This means less physical silver is flowing out to the rest of the world. When China tightens the export taps, global markets feel the impact almost instantly, especially in metals where supply is already stretched thin. On top of that, China's gigantic manufacturing sector is consuming tons of silver for solar panels, electronics, and electric vehicles. They're not just speculating. They're buying silver because they absolutely need it. This creates a scenario where physical silver is more valuable right now than what paper silver promises for the future. Talk about a twist. That's why we're seeing this extreme volatility. Price movements are fast and emotional, and silver is acting differently from most assets out there. This isn't just about charts and numbers, it's a story about real physical supply. Also, keep in mind that silver has a history of lagging behind gold before making a big leap. Gold usually moves first, and then silver follows, but with a stronger punch. It looks like that pattern is kicking in again. Could silver pull back? Sure. This market is known for its wild swings, and sharp corrections are totally normal. But what's different this time around is that industrial demand, geopolitical risks, and supply constraints are all aligning at once. That's a rare combo. Silver is no longer just seen as a cheaper version of gold. It's being recognized as a strategic metal. And China is showing the world just how valuable silver really is, not through words, but through their policies and pricing. Whether you're feeling bullish, a bit cautious, or just watching from the sidelines, one thing is crystal clear. Silver today is not behaving like your typical commodity. And when that happens, history tells us that the move is rarely over quickly. So, buckle up. This ride is just getting started in 2026. Remember to always do your own research and consider liking this video and subscribing to the Silver Thesis channel. I'll see you in the next video.